Hi, good morning, Dubai. We're heading to fish market.
The English?
Yes, punta kami ng fish market. Yes, this is our driver for today.
Driver.
Rish.
Yes.
Passenger princess mo na ako.
King crab.
Yes.
Excited lang.
Excited na kami.
Yes.
We're here na po. Let's go.
Let's go. Sama.
Bargaining
So there is?
with the madam.
Yes. So
Ano
ang,
fish na to?
so ang king crab is more or less daw 2 kilos.
2 kilos.
Yeah. Check natin dito kay Kuya.
Ito si Kuya.
Naman ang kwan.
Ibang ano niya, ibang store naman.
Yeah. How much is a kilo king crab?
What is this?
What?
300 per kilo.
Tawaran na si madam.
Crab, no?
How many kilo in one crab?
2 kilo and half to make, 2.5 to make, 3.5 to make. What is this?
So can you make it half? What? How many half are going to take? We can take.
No problem, you take it after half and 3 and 2 and check.
Take half. We take half and
Ito po ang mga skills sa ganitong mga pakikipagtawaran.
You pay money after take 3 to
Galingan nyo para makakatipid tayo.
please. Okay, close. Yes.
Todo bantay po sa taho. Ayan, oh.
Close. Okay.
Kailangan sarado.
30 na? 30 na lang.
313.
30 na lang, kuya.
Grabe sa bargaining skills
30 na
talaga.
lang, kuya. Good. 30.
Oh, ito din,
Give
nakikipag-bargain. Ano naman binibili nyo, madam?
Kuya, 30 ha? 30 kuya, 30. 30 na lang po, kuya.
Ito na, ang hirap. This is a Cajun. Cajun. Ay, sus pa yan ng ano? Sausawan pala